Hi everybody, it's Erin Cochran, the House Whisperer from revealingredesign.com, and it's been a long time since I've done a video. I'm back here at the project houses this morning, and I wanted to do a little video just to show you around a bit. So, okay, hold on, let's see here. All right, so I'm standing at the back of the house. Let me come outside so you can see. So there's a new back door here, and tie-back. And then if you go up the stairs here into the back of the house, you'll see that, okay, so this is going to be a little mudroom. It's going to be hard for me to show you around, but behind me here is what's going to be the new pantry for the kitchen. There's going to be a little bench behind me for when you come in to take your shoes off. This is going to be the entrance to the pantry right here. Okay, so here is the kitchen. It doesn't look like much yet, but it's going to have adorable open shelves and beautiful new cabinets on both sides. So it'd be sort of a galley kitchen. And then here, where there used to be a wall between the kitchen and what I'm calling the dining room, is now open. So you can see that this is all going to be sharing light and nice big, it just feels bigger. It's really, really nice. So, so I'll go back here so you can sort of see. So when we came in the back of the house, this is where the kitchen is, and then into the dining room. And you can see now in the front room, we have a new doorway, which is, we changed the layout of the front of the house so that you have this nice sight line all the way through the house to the front window where the living room is. There used to be a wall in between there that was solid. And I've divided that space up now so that this will be a 2-bedroom house instead of a 1-bedroom house. So the living room entrance will be here, and you can see the front window there with the light. Okay, and over here behind me is the new doorway to the 2nd bedroom. So it's going to be a nice little bedroom. I'm sure somebody's going to use it as a office, or maybe a little person's room if you have a little person that lives with you, a little toddler or a little elementary schooler or whatever. And right off this little bedroom is a little half bath, which I think is so cute. And I've kept the original old 1930s sink. So you can see here behind me, this is the new closet for this room. You can see through to where the living room is. So I'm just so pleased with the way things have progressed here. I'll show you into the living room here, and this is the front door here. So right on the road, but that we have such a beautiful backyard here. So even though it's really nice because you're convenient to everything, but you have a large backyard that is just beautiful. So, okay, so let me show you the backyard really, really quick. So everything is coming together so nicely here. Everybody's so busy right now. Everybody's working on their houses, so it's been hard to get my guys, the contractors, over here to get stuff done, but we're in the process of it. All the framing's done now. So you can see back here, the yard goes way past those trees. So it'd be a really nice place to play or have a dog or whatever. So I'm excited to have this ready to show to potential renters in the next couple of months. Fingers crossed. So, all right. Hope you all are having a good week, good start to your week, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.